My people agree too. Now me, NDS Opinion TV. As you see my face, so you're gonna say, I know they're happy. The matter where I carry come so. Now what thing don't happen for this 2023 election for Nigeria? Both the presidential election and the gubernatorial and House of Assembly election, the Rep and Senate election where they don't conduct so far for Nigeria. Where don't come and go. Will they wait for their swearing in, Abi? I beg, before this 2023 election, an agreement was signed. An agreement, peace accord was signed by all these political parties, mostly for this presidential election. Peace accord was signed. Yes, someone asked a question during the presidential election. Was there any violence? Was there any fracas here and there? Actually, it was just a minor one in Lagos. But that presidential election triggered to what just happened in Lagos today. For Ahmed Bola Tinubu to lose in Lagos triggered what we just witnessed during the gubernatorial and the House of Assembly election in Lagos. Today. That's why I'm here. Please, I want this video to let this video get to Bishop Kuksah. He is one of the initiators of this peace accord. I want this video to get to him because they are the front runners of One Nigeria. I've heard of many of his video or his interview or conference that he had where he played on words about this unity of Nigeria for a thing. You see, the situation of Nigeria as it stands today, as it is, my dear, doesn't want anyone sacrificing his or her life for that very country. If good Lord Jonathan during his own time could say that his ambition doesn't want the blood of any citizen, neither would this one want the blood of any citizens. But why is it that any time after election, the Igbos will become the sacrificial lamb that will be used to appease the gods of the land? Why is it after every election the Igbos' blood will be used as a sacrifice to clear up the mess that INEC has committed in Nigeria? This 2023 election, if there's any blood that should be sacrificed, it shouldn't be the blood of the Igbos, it should be the blood of the INEC chairman and his family, because they are the ones that have just brought this pain. They are the ones that just brought this fracas here and there. But why always the Igbos? Martin Hassan Kuksah, please, I want this video to get to him. I want you to hear this voice. Where is the peace accord that was signed? Where is the unity that was agreed upon? Where is the one Nigeria that you are be preaching? If Nigeria, the Igbos are the part of the Nigeria, the Igbos are part of the one Nigeria that you are advocating for, why is it that Igbos voted against Bola Ahmed Tinubu or voted against APC government in Nigeria, and Igbos will be dealt with as if they are nobody? Igbos will become the sacrificial lamb used in appeasing the land. Why? So many videos is out there to tell it all what the Igbos are going through in Lagos. So many videos are out there to portray the fact that this is what these people are doing to the Igbos. Oh yeah, watch this one. Watch.
Good morning, Never Frontier Association. Because I need the help now money in Lagos. I need the help now money in Lagos. Now do trade fair and then you buy the mace and they find the buy na-agba ndị ma agba ndị gboo ndị agbara egbe kịta ka nke buju na biko no Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi ba my senator I need the help na ọmụ niile na trade fair na azụ trade fair na ọmụ niile ndị Yoruba na-eme etife ndị be anyị ha na-agwụ ndị agbara egbe aka na nkụ biko na I need the help na Lagos na ọmụ niile trade fair na azụ trade fair na side abụla.
Hello, biko no, good morning no, ụmụnne m ndị anya na-afụ mmụọ group biko no, lekwa na ebe anyị nọ abụ nwanne ụlọ anyị nọ Lagos side abụla the side trade fair o lekwa na ihe na-emenụ n'obodo a o Chineke na mekwa nna ya ebere ndị Igbo n'ebe anụ egbusichakwa na ha ndị Igbo since ụtụtụ taa yesterday ka atụchara votu agụcha votu ọ bụrụkwa LP na-ewin.
Now which people be this? Na Igbos. Ndị Igbo nọ na Lagos na-azụ ahịa, they are the ones that have been shot, even to the point that a police officer assisting the thugs with guns to shoot on the Igbos. Martin Hassan Kuksah, oh yeah, watch this one.
Rantsi da Allah da Peter Obi ya ci Najeriya da mun ci ubanmu. Saboda arne tsantsa suka samu mai aqida arnanci mara mutunci. Kana gani fa hakkuka yake na bai ci kujeran nan ya samu a bala'i ba. Kuma ba ma arnan ba a Najeriya arne in yamuri. Kaga ai akwai mala'ika ko in aka ce Jibril ai zaka dan samu sanyi ko ba haka bane ba an aka ce Jibril babu sanyi Mika'il da sanyi ko babu amma aka ce malakul maut ya kaji to a Najeriya an aka ce ma in yamuri kuma Peter dutse shine ma'anar Peter ka je ka binkita kaga sai jifa kawai kaga in yamurai din Najeriya ba wanda yake saki da san a tsagame a tsaga Najeriya kuma an tsage Najeriya su ware arewa su wulakanta ta kuna ji fa babu cin debin lawan ya fito baro
What this one? What is this one saying? This is an imam, a northerner. Hear what he just said in Hausa language. The simple, let me just summarize it in what he said. He said, had it been that Peter Obi won this election, that they would have suffered it. That Peter Obi is an infidel, that it is even more better you give the country to a cow, to a northerner, than to say you give it to an infidel. Peter Obi, that Peter Obi is an infidel, that Peter Obi would have dealt with them, that the meaning of the name Peter is a stone, that he would have been throwing stone at them anyhow. And that is why they rigged the whole election and handed it over to who? To Ahmed Bola Tinubu. Because he's a Muslim. Say that they must do everything possible to defend the Muslim religion. My people, it is not funny. The country we are in is not funny. Martin Hassan Kuksah, this voice is for you. This very video is for Martin Hassan Kuksah. Let them come and address us. It is high time that you people should let the Igbos go. It is high time you people should let the Igbos go their separate ways. We are no longer compatible with this society. This society no longer welcomed us. They no longer need us. Please, let the life of Igbos remain.